Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Postal Market Analysis. Today is Monday, July 8, 2024. Right now is 11:11. First, let's look at the market since Sunday evening. So Sunday evening market open and it tried to go up, but later it seems like kind of have to come back down to test the low here. So it made the new low and it reattempt going above again and later come back down here, and actually it didn't quite like make a new low, and then from there it come back above and can then making a new high and basically breaking above this level. So and then it kind of was able to touch this ceiling that I would call some kind of like the edge of the lane. And so if first kind of was able to get above this level and later touch this level and come back down, and then it's making sequence of a move pretty much kind of in this length and moving from here to there by touching here again and touching again here. So it's kind of making almost pretty much like a three-way going up here, and later it come back down and touch here, but it was not able to go above. It basically come back down. It's touch, make another touch here, and later this is becoming volatile. So, well, I guess we could limp over to the SPX side. So this is kind of like a market open, and this is sort of corresponding to the second attempt making the new high here. This is equivalent here. It come back down and touch this the lower edge, but from the SPX perspective, it's not able to break below this level, and it come back above to the almost to the middle and come back down again and to almost like making new low here. So for the close is another pretty volatile kind of close. When it actually went above like a 55.75, but later it came back down, and here is like moving by kind of like by more than 5 points, and later it come back close at 55.72 and 85, and in many senses quite volatile, and on the meanwhile it's also narrow range. It moved only 20 points, less than 21 points. So tomorrow very likely it will move at least like 20 points, and likelihood it's going to move probably about 30 points, and based on where it closed today, and it could likely tomorrow it could likely going to challenge like 5600, and on the downside again we'll be looking at like first we'll be looking at this 55.50 level. Let me see, if we go further it would be 55.28, but I would say kind of judging this like a 20 points, 20 to 30 points move, and likely what's going to happen tomorrow would be 5600. That would be on the upside. On the downside is could be this 5540 level, but I would be looking at more probably along the 5550 level. Anything could happen, and tomorrow we could look at the calendar. Another, well, if we look at the future, it's kind of like it has a pretty good appetite, kind of going up, and I do feel like likelihood is going to go higher, and as of for right now, it seems like it's going to have a gap up tomorrow. Yeah, we shall see. Again, tomorrow is like let's look at the calendar first. So tomorrow, one big thing is like a Fed speech and also Powell testimony. The first one is the A55. That's a red book year over year, and then 9:15 there is a speech from Fed Powell, and then 10 o'clock Fed Chair will start the testimony, and 10:30 it had New York Fed Treasury purchase, and 11:30 that's as usual, that's the Treasury auctions, and 1 o'clock have the 3-year note auctions, and 1:30 have Fed speech from Fed Bowman, and that's it in terms of the event and economic data release. After the market close at 4:30, there is a API crude oil stock change. So it seems like at night there's a more like a what US used car price, and that's interesting. There is a Treasury Secretary Yellen testimony. So I did not realize that could happen again at night. So certainly it's quite interesting. So with that said, tomorrow could be very volatile, but we just don't know. So it's just that we need to see how market going to go. So as I said, on the upside, well, on the upside, I would be looking at more like a 5590 level, and on the downside would be more about like a 5550 level. So that would be my take, and based on the options pricing, it seems like Thursday will be the one that have a huge move. I believe that's because of the CPI data release. And with that said, wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.